Hello kids, today we're going to learn numbers 1 to 5. We'll be making the numbers with Play-Doh. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the number 1. Here's our number 1 mat. For number 1, we're using yellow Play-Doh, bright like the sun. Rolling out the yellow dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Let's start with the short top part of the 1. Now, we'll add the long vertical line from top to bottom. And there we have it. Our number 1 is complete in yellow. Now, let's make number 2. Here's our number to mat. We're using green Play-Doh. Rolling out the green dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Let's carefully place the green dough along the shape of 2. We will add the arms of the cactus. 1 arm. 2 arms. We will add the green balls. 1 green ball to green balls. Now we're moving to number 3. Here's our number 3 mat. We're using white Play-Doh for number 3. Rolling out the white dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Let's place the dough along the shape of 3. Adding the bee's stripes. 1 stripe. 2 stripes. 3 stripes. Placing the white balls. 1, 2, 3. And here's our number 3, complete with a bee theme. Now, let's work on number 4. Here's our number for mat. We're using orange Play-Doh for number 4. Rolling out the orange dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Let's shape the dough along the number 4. Now, we'll add the caterpillar's body. 1 green ball, 2 green balls, 3 green balls for green balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time for number 5. Here's our number 5 mat. We're using red Play-Doh for number 5. Rolling out the red dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Let's carefully place the dough to form the number 5. Adding raindrops from the cloud. 1 blue drop to blue drops. 3 blue drops for blue drops. 5 blue drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our number 5, complete with raindrops and red balls.